First, take your dog to his favorite store. But let him mark his territory first.
Let him sniff all the treats because he's a savvy shopper.
Find the perfect bow tie. He will tell you when he likes it. Take him home and replace his old one with the new one. Let him taste it first. Now he looks dapper.
Let him go through his closet to find the perfect accessory.
Put on his Santa hat. And now take the perfect photo for his Instagram in front of a Christmas tree.